Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's try one last method for delete for the same API we have been using earlier. Okay, so let's search for one delete method. Okay, see, this is deleting our source. This is nothing. This we just need to send a you know one delete response. That's it. One URL should be sufficient and it will provide us the response. First of all, let's try the same thing on the postman. Okay, what we can do is, let's give me one new http request. Method type is delete and then the URL. I think that's all I need to do. Yeah, success is 200. We'll be checking the status code over here. We need not check anything from the response. That's it, right? So we can try the same using the request library. So URL delete is equals to, let me send this, and then response will be fetching in one variable. Same thing again and again I'm repeating, just the name of the method will be changing, and URL is equals to URL delete. That's it. Delete is very simple, right? And you just need to check the response code you are getting, right? So I will print the response code for you. Response dot, what I can do is I can add one assertion that response code is coming as success. Response dot status code is equals to 200. That's it for delete. So let me run. Yeah, status code is 200. It's printed over here, right? And uh, we have added one assertion that we are successfully able to delete this thing. So please remember one thing, that the API we are using, the JSON placeholder API, this is just for practice, right? So it's not an original API, and the responses it is giving us back are also for practice. They are fake responses, but for our practice, like, it's just behaving as a original API. If you still see, like, if you will open this post, it will still be available. It will not be fully deleted, and even if we are trying to edit something, it gets back to original whatever the source was. So we are not even able to properly edit it. So for that thing, what we will be doing is, after trying few example on http bin.org, we will be moving on to GitHub. So we will practice the same thing on the GitHub API, which is a real-time API. Okay, so even we will see how the things goes over there. So for the meantime, you can practice on these both of these APIs, and see you in next lecture. Yeah, thank you.